In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient button in GoHighLevel with CSS. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable gradient style you can apply to any button in your funnel or website without relying on extra images or plugins. First, open your page in the GoHighLevel Builder and head to the Styles panel. This is where we'll attach a class to the button so our custom CSS knows exactly what to target. With your button selected, find the custom class field and type Gradient Button. Using a class name keeps your styling organized and lets you reuse the same look on multiple buttons. Make sure you include the hyphen and keep it lowercase for consistency. Next, open the Custom CSS area in the builder. Here, create a selector for your new class by typing .GradientButton followed by an opening and a closing curly brace. That tells the browser, apply any styles inside these braces to elements that have the Gradient Button class. It's a good habit to save now, so click Save to lock in your selector before we add the gradient code. Now we need a great-looking gradient. Open the gradient generator at mycolor.space. This tool quickly builds a CSS gradient from two colors. Choose a color combination that fits your brand. You can start with your primary color and pick a complementary accent. If you're unsure, try a subtle, low-contrast blend for a modern look, or go bolder for higher impact call-to-action buttons. When you're happy, click Generate. The site will produce a CSS snippet with a linear gradient you can use immediately. Copy the generated CSS from the tool. Head back to the GoHighLevel Builder and reopen the Custom CSS area. Inside the braces of your Gradient Button selector, paste the gradient properties you just copied. If you already had placeholder code there, replace it with the new gradient lines. This applies the background gradient specifically to any element using the Gradient Button class. Click Save again to apply your changes. Preview the page to confirm the button shows your gradient as expected. If the result looks too intense or too subtle, return to the gradient generator to fine-tune your colors and direction, then paste the updated code into the same place. Remember, because we used a class, you can assign Gradient Button to any other button's custom class field to instantly reuse the style. That's it. You've created a reusable gradient button style in GoHighLevel using CSS, ready to elevate your calls to action with a clean, on-brand finish.